Welcome guys, so today I'm with Motorola Edge 30 and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks. So at first we're going to start from the standard photo mode, and right here we can quickly adjust the brightness level. When you click on the screen and move this icon, you can decrease or increase brightness level. You can also make it automatically by tapping on the screen once, 2 times. It also works on the video mode, for example in the portrait mode, so we can quickly make it right here. We don't have to use the Pro mode. Another tip will be about the volume buttons that you can find right here. So normally when you try to take photo, you have to click on the shutter, but you can also use these volume buttons, volume up and volume down. And when you click and hold the volume up, you will take series of the photo. As you can see, the phone is taking the photos, and you can find them right here, all photos that we take. And the same when you use the volume up, or it works for the both volume buttons. When you click and hold the shutter, it will work the same, as you can see. So that's the cool feature that you can use. You can also enable camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds. As you can see, after this time photo will be taken. Right now we can also use the zoom feature, so we can go between ultra wide lens, macro lens and the normal lens. But when you click on already selected, click and hold on already selected preset, you can go even to the 10 times. You can also zoom by using your fingers, just like that. So that's how you can use it. And we can go for the settings, where you can find other options. For example, in the AI settings, you can enable the gesture selfie. So right now, when you show the palm of your hand, when you are on the selfie camera, you will be able to take photo. Right here, we can enable or disable, for example, the camera watermark. You will get this little tiny left bottom corner signature. You can also add your own signature, and on the right bottom corner you will get date and the time stamp. So that's how you can adjust this option. When you go for the capture settings, right here we can also enable option called tap to anywhere to capture. So right now when you are on the screen, we can click once on the screen and the photo will be also taken. As you can see, that's how it works. We can also go for the more modes, where we can find option dual capture. Right now we can record video or take photo while using 2 cameras, the selfie camera and the rear camera. You can also change the theme, so you can decide if you want to get the smaller window of the rear or the selfie camera. You can also change the lenses right here. Wait a minute, it's not working. Okay, and it works right now. Never mind. And that was about this mode. We can also use the ultra resolution mode, and that's the really great feature. Let me show you. In front of me I have a coin, and I'm gonna show you the details that we can get by using this mode. And right now I'm going to switch to the normal mode, and I'm going to take the same photo, and we are going to make the small comparison. So this photo was taken probably with the normal mode, I guess. Let's take a look on this one. Yeah, this one was definitely taken with this high resolution mode. As you can see, right here we can spot more details, and we can zoom in much closer. So that's pretty useful feature. And the last option that will be in some kind of the way useful for you, take a look, that's spot color. So we can basically select the color that you want to get on your video, and you can just get rid of that. So when you want to get rid of the green color, you can select that and then remove it. And just to show you that it really works, for example, I'm gonna get here the window cleaner. It's on the red color. Okay, that's actually strange. It's not working like it's supposed to, but never mind. Or I just probably don't understand the mode. Okay, sorry guys. That's my bad. So when you select the color and move the slider, you will get rid of other colors and only get the green one on the screen. Yeah, sorry, that was my bad. I just thought that it works a little bit different because I just find this option on the Oppo A96 probably, and it works like that. That when I select the green one and then move the slider, the green color disappear from the video or the photo, and it's only stay with the all other colors. But yeah, that's actually a cool feature, and I think that's all for the Motorola Edge 30. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.